What's happening, everybody? Man, it feels like it's been a while since I've talked to you guys in this fashion. Yeah, I've been taking a little bit of break. Sorry about that. I hope I have some of you left watching. I do need you guys. Anyway, let me get to the project today. I have been experiencing every once in a while. It seems like I have a leak in one of my traps. It's periodically, it doesn't happen every time, but the black water every once in a while will leak into the drain. Right there. Sometimes it would leak a little bit. So today I'm going to try to replace the traps. I actually bought new traps about a year ago, and kind of just been putting it off because it's you know, it's one of those projects where you don't really want to freaking do, but I want to get it done and over with before the winter, in case there is a major problem with it, you know. So I'm gonna do that today. Notice that I'm kind of on an incline here. It's probably hard to pick up from video, but I am on a little incline, thinking that if there is any fluid in there, it would be toward the back. Of course, I did empty everything last night. So let's get started, and I hope that this helps someone else out. If they have the same kind of project coming up, hopefully they find this video and it can help you. So, all right, here are the gates that I'm using. I'll leave a description. I'll leave the details in the description, and of course if Amazon has it, it'll be an Amazon affiliate link. So if you click on it, it helps me out. I really do appreciate it. So these are the brands that I'm using. Alright, so let's go around to the passenger side where mine happen to be. I haven't even looked at it yet to see what I need, but and hopefully I don't need to jack this thing up. Hopefully I have enough space underneath here to get my fat head under here. Alright, you guys fit under here pretty well. I'm having a little bit of trouble, but I shouldn't need my whole body in here. Here's the black tank trap. So I don't know, I guess I'll go for that one first. Go with the messier one first. Yeah, now got my bag full of wrenches. I think I'm gonna grab some gloves as well. Okay, now I'm protected with my gloves. Alright. Hey, by the way, I hope everyone out there is doing well, you know? It's beginning to be the season. Depression and everything, and I just hope that everyone's doing okay. I myself have been feeling pretty down, so, but it could always be worse, and I'm glad that I have YouTube and have you guys, you know, watching and being by my, kind of like by my side. And also, like I said, I get to share these videos that hopefully help someone else out. So that's a good purpose to have in life, where you get to help someone out, you know. I got it. Oh, it looks like the bolt broke off or something. It sure did. Broke the bolt off. Huh. Thing was rusted on there pretty well. Okay. Got the next one. Okay, so I had to switch over to the GoPro. And I had to put it up on my little blocks here so I can get further underneath this thing. Changed my gloves. And with the GoPro I can get in here a little bit easier. See that screw all the way to the top there, that was probably the toughest one to get to. But everything's good. It looks nice and tight. Later on I'll have to do a test on it, make sure everything's good. Alright, so now we're going to be working on the gray water drain or gate. And let me just make sure that's a 2-inch. Let me make sure I got 2-inch. I can't remember what I got. Hopefully I got the right one. 2-inch, yep. Alright, this one looks like it's a lot more accessible. The bolts are a different size, so let me get the proper tools here. Now they're all scattered all over the place. Okay. Use my makeshift screwdriver here, maybe. Ah, yeah, it worked. Maybe I'll leave a link for this. It's a nice little tool to have on your keychain, everybody. Night Ease is the brand. I'll leave a little thing down there at the bottom. This thing comes in handy a lot. For me, anyway. So, yeah, hell, maybe I'll put that in the description. If you guys want one, pick one up. Remember, when this happens, you don't want to be right directly underneath of it, so I'm gonna stand outside. Sorry. And this thing. Alright, looks like for this one I'm gonna have to loosen these couple bolts here, and that way I can slide this back a little bit, because there's hardly any play in this. So let me oh shit. Oh boy, I gotta go run to the RV place. My old one is a 1.5 inch. I could have sworn I looked on here earlier and it said 2 inch. So I'm gonna see if I can get a ride and we'll be back to finish this thing. Okay, luckily they had it. Went to my little RV shop nearby me, so I needed the 1 inch. Or 1.5 inches, I'm sorry, 1.5 inches. So, it's been over a year since I bought the 2 inch one, so I'm assuming that I won't be able to return it. So I'm thinking it might be like a good little giveaway. So if there's anyone that needs a 2 inch gray water gate, hit me up. We can work something out. And do a little giveaway for you, because I don't need it. Not right now anyway. No sense of holding on to it. Oh, where's all twos at, man? Okay. Oh, dang it. Add it, let it go. There we go. That's better. There we go. Nice, comfortable fit. Kind of like it was meant to be. Alright. Pretty sure you don't want to over tighten these things. Pretty solid, okay. Alright. Now I gotta put this bracket back on here. Ow. Alright, so I'm going to give it a little test here. Put some water in there and just see if it leaks at all. Let's see. Oh, let's see what we got.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
It's dripping. That's not good. Shit. Here's the deal. I had to take it back off and reposition it. So keep this in mind. Make sure the gasket, make sure you can spread the two pipes apart as wide as you can. That was the problem. When I slid the disc in, the gasket bunched up and yeah, didn't create a nice tight seal. So that was the issue. So now I have more water in it now, and as you can see, no more leak. So keep that in mind if you are going to do your own. Try to spread the two pieces, this piece and that piece. Try to spread it apart as much as you can so that gasket doesn't get bunched up when you go to slide that thing in there. So now we're good, and it didn't take me too long to do the to redo that, so that's a good thing. But there we go, and we're looking good. No leak on the gray water as well, so that's good too.